How to send money from Neteller to bank account. Open the Neteller website or mobile app. Log into your Neteller account with your email and password. Go to the Money Out or Withdraw section. Select the option to withdraw funds to a bank account. If your bank account is not added, click to add a new bank account. Enter your bank details carefully, including bank name and account number. Save the bank details and go back to the withdrawal page. Select the bank account you want to send money to. Enter the amount you wish to transfer to your bank. Review the withdrawal fees and currency conversion details. Check the final amount that will be sent to your bank account. Confirm the withdrawal request by clicking Continue or Submit. Wait for Neteller to process your transaction. Receive the money in your bank account within a few business days depending on your bank. Thank you for watching.